Hi, my name's Amy, I'm from Glasgow and I'm a nail technician. So I'm self-employed and I run a business called Abstract Nails, which is a nail studio, and clients travel all over to come get their nails done. So I originally started using candy coats when I discovered their Instagram. I thought it was quite cool and trendy and just really different from other brands. I really like how there's such a variety of colours, from lights to darks to neons, and I really like how the colours go on my clients' nails and how good coverage that it gives them. So my new favourite product is the Popping Candy Gel Remover by Candy Coat. I really like how it speeds up the gel removal process. So to do this, I just buff off the top coat, removing the shine, apply a good layer, and then when I'm on my 10th nail I go back to it and scrape it off. Saves time by like faffing about with tin foil, cotton pads and acetone. So I was really drawn into Candy Coat with the packaging. It's really eye-catching, different, and I really like how the colour of the actual bottle is on top, so it's a wee bit easier to see when you're doing nails. I also really like the texture and the thickness of it. It's not too runny, doesn't run over the nail, and I really like how the good coverage when you're doing nails gives you good coverage. I love Candy Coat.